Have you ever been in a big hurry and worried that something would take too long? Understanding this idiom will help you feel much better. Imagine you are late for a meeting, you call a taxi and hope it arrives fast. When it arrives quickly, we say it came in no time. Knowing this idiom will make your English sound more natural and friendly. Let's dive in. Meet my friend Tom. His boss said, "I will finish the report in no time." Tom felt very sad. Tom thought no time meant it would take 0 seconds or never happen. He waited and waited for nothing. Poor Tom. But in no time does not mean never. It actually means very, very quickly or almost immediately. It is like saying something happens so fast that it feels like no time has passed at all. It's a very positive phrase. Now Tom knows better. When his friend says, "The bread will be ready in no time," Tom gets his butter ready. He knows he will be eating delicious, warm bread in just a few minutes. That is the power of idioms. Let's look at some examples. First, "Don't worry, I will be home in no time." This means I am coming back very fast. Second, "She is so smart, she finished her homework in no time." This means she was very quick. Third, "The sun will set in no time." This means the day is ending soon. Great job. To remember this, think of a magic clock. The hands spin so fast that time disappears. That is in no time. Did you know this idiom has been used for hundreds of years? It shows how much we value being fast and efficient. You will hear it in many movies and songs. It is one of the most common idioms in the English language today. Here are some similar phrases: very fast, in a jiffy, and before you know it. They all mean the same thing. The opposites are takes forever, ages, or just a long time. Those feel much slower, don't they? Be careful. Don't say, "I am in no time." That is a mistake. Always say, "It will happen in no time." We usually use it for things that are about to happen or just happened very fast. It's a time saver for your speech. Time for a quiz. What does "in no time" mean? Is it A, never, B, very quickly, or C, at night? The correct answer is B, very quickly. You are doing amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back. We learned that in no time means something happens very fast. Use it today to sound like a pro. Tell me a story about something you did in no time in the comments. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.